Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe and enjoying the summer sun. So today I am back with a Glossybox unboxing. As I didn't do July, I'll be doing July and August together. I'll try and keep it speedy and quick and get through all the products as quick as I can. Now to begin with, the July box was a standard pink glossy box. However, the August box has come with a beautiful pattern on it. So let's start with the July box, and these are all the products I have received in July. Now I'm going to quickly scan the QR code for July and see all the products in detail. First up, we have received this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Cleanser, which is worth $8.99. I have used this product before and I would definitely recommend it. It leaves your skin feeling nice and soft, and it also gives you that squeaky clean feeling. Then we have an eyelash curler from Eco, which is worth £5. It has like a plastic grip, so if I give it a quick open and show you what it looks like. So yeah, it looks like this. I mean, you have the plastic grip here and you also have it in your handle, so you just squeeze it in like so and squeeze it open like that. Instead of putting your fingers through it, it's quite nice because it's got a nice grip here. Then we have the Luna by Luna eyebrow pencil, which is worth £17, and I'm just going to open it up to see the shade. So this is what the pencil looks like. It comes with a little comb and it looks like it's in a very dark brown shade, and I've just swatched it here. Then we have the Feel Free After Sun Balm, which is worth £11.10, and it's in this big bottle. It is actually 200ml and it's quite a good size, to be fair. It's full size. It says natural skincare. It's got a chamomile for calming after sun, and on the back it just states that you apply to dry or slightly damp skin and distribute evenly throughout the body. So let's give this a quick little sniff. It smells quite fruity and you can kind of see the texture. I'll just take a teeny tiny bit and I'm just gonna... Yeah, so it smells quite fruity, but it is water based because you can see how it looks on the skin. And finally we have the Gruum Hyrdating Facial Mist, which is worth £8, and it's in Orange Blossom. So you're just supposed to give it a good shake and spritz your face with it. On the back it does say it's vegan friendly, cruelty free, travel friendly and for all skin types. So if I just give it a shake, and I don't want to spray it on my face, I'm going to spray it in the air. That orange is quite strong, and actually I did get a bit on my face, which was quite nice. So these were all the products I received in July, and just to give it a quick round up, the box was worth £50. Now I'm conscious that I didn't read the story behind the box, so I'll give it a quick scan through now. And it states, sun-kissed and carefree, that's your summer 2024. And don't forget the hand-picked essentials from your Glossybox by your side this July. We've packed in beauty and essential must-have for your summer routine. Think gentle gel cleansers, hydrating facial sprays and soothing after sun. Keep your skin and beauty routine in tip-top condition with a carefully curated selection of products perfect for your summer looks. So the theme was pretty much summer with all the products that we received. Now onto the August box, we received this fun box which has like an abstract woman on there, and I give you a closer look, and on here it states the art of beauty. It's quite a fun box and I actually quite like the packaging, and when you open it up on the inside it says "Hi Beautiful," which I think is super cute. These are the products I have received in August, so let's give it a quick scan of the QR code to see the glossy magazine. As usual, you have the front cover, content, the story behind the box, and then it goes on to give us details of the products, and then it gives us some holiday tips and products to use, how to deal with the summer heat with skincare, and then just other makeup bits and bobs we could use this summer. The cover of the magazine has a nice sunset theme of pink going into orange, which I quite like. And then let's go on to read what it states. It states, "Hey Glossies, we are all well and truly in the heart of summer, and what better way to celebrate than with our brand new August box. This month's selection is a treasure trove of delectable beauty treats designed to elevate your summer routine, from luscious lotions and potions that wash away the day's stress to indulgent skincare delights that leave your skin glowing. Every product has been carefully chosen to pamper you from head to toe. Dive into the world of a beauty bliss and let your summer sparkle like never before." So the story behind the box states, "Glossies, let us take you on a journey behind the creation of our stunning August box. This month we've been inspired by the vibrant, sun-soaked days of summer and the joy that comes with indulging in a little self-care. Our team has meticulously curated a collection of beauty gems that embody the essence of this radiant season. Each product tells a story of fresh, invigorating ingredients, luxurious textures and innovative formulas. From the initial concept to the final selection, every step was taken with you in mind, ensuring that this box not only meets your beauty needs, but also enhances your summer experience. Dive into our August box and discover the thoughtful craftsmanship and passion that went into this creation. So let's go on to the unboxing of the products. The first product we have is a Drama Ultra Volume Mascara, which is worth $20.49 by Teeze. So this is a mascara, and on here it kind of gives you some of the features. So it says it's lengthening and full definition, ultra black, and it's long lasting. So let's give it open. To be honest with you, I've never actually heard of this brand, so let's see if it meets expectations. So this is what it looks like. So this is just a normal mascara that you apply on as part of your makeup routine. Then we have the Appeal Cosmetics Exposed Gel Liner, which is worth $16.53. So this is a crayon gel lip liner. I'm trying to find the shade on here and I can't actually see, but let's give it an open. And this is the shade. So I'm just going to swatch it on the back of my hand like so. It is very creamy and gel-like as expected. It's like a pinky nude, which is a quite nice shade. I like this shade because I feel like it matches perfectly with the Huda Beauty Rendezvous lipstick. It's kind of like a similar shade, so I do look forward to trying that combo on together. Then we have the Baija Paradise Body Scrub worth $14.28. So this is a body scrub. It comes in this little cute glass jar, and when you open it up, it looks like this. It has like little scrubby bits inside. It reminds me of baby food, the way it's presented, and it looks, and it smells very fruity and delicious. Very summery at the same time. So on here it's got body scrub with pineapple extract and Brazil nut oil. So on the back it does say apply once a week to wet skin in a circular movement and then rinse thoroughly, and this gives your body a really good scrub. Then we have the Eastfall Bergamot and Jasmine shampoo and conditioner worth £5 each. So these are both 40ml, and I'm just going to try and open it up so I can smell it for you guys. Oh my god, the bergamot in here is quite strong. If you've not used Eastfall products, they are beautiful. They're so calming and relaxing, and exactly the kind of range you'd expect in a spa. So these are great, and I actually already have the lotion to go with this, so it'd be a nice little set. Finally, we have the Rituals of Karma soap bar worth £6. So this is the soap bar, so let's just open it up. I've actually used this in the Rituals of Sakura and it is beautiful. Okay, this smells like a normal soap bar. I don't feel like I'm getting the Karma smell. If you've used a Rituals product, you'll be familiar with their smell range. The Sakura one, on the other hand, was beautiful. It smelled like Sakura. But yeah, this is a nice handy soap bar just to wash yourself. So guys, this brings me to the end of my tutorial. These were all the products I have received this month. I've done a quick calc and I come to a sum of £67.30. I do think this box was pretty worth it because I feel like you do get decent premium brands in there. So you've got like Eastfall, Rituals, and then you've got that body scrub brand. And I think the individual items I can see myself using, and I've used some of the brands before, which I love. So yeah, if you want any further reviews, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you have received the same box, let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys find this useful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!